Here, I am the listing broker on 6490 Terraza Portico. My license number, my BRE number is 01112089. 3 carbon monoxide detectors have been installed in this property. Here's one on the ground floor. I won't break this until I show you the third. Going upstairs, main living floor. Here's the second one. Okay, reset. Okay. And the third one is up the next floor in the other bedroom. So there's now one. Reset. Okay, so there's now a smoke detector on each floor of this property. Okay, in case you're wondering why I didn't test the first one, I'm going to go back and do that for you. Okay, here's the first floor one. Reset. Okay, so they have been installed here at 6490 Terraza Portico.